Hello my dear students, welcome back to this class. I hope all of you are safe and sound at your home. Let's get started with our class. So I'm going to show you some pictures right now and I want you to have a good look at all of them and then tell me the word that crossed your mind when you looked at all these pictures. Take a good look at them. Aren't these just adorable? Yeah, they are very beautiful. I'm sure the word that has crossed your mind is beautiful. Yes, these are just beautiful, right? So, I have a question to ask all of you. The question is, what comes to your mind when you hear the word beauty or beautiful? When you hear the word beauty or beautiful, what comes to your mind? List out all the things that you think are beautiful. Not just the things, you can even write the people who you think are beautiful. You can even write the places that you think are beautiful. List out all of them and then send that to me. This is the question that you need to answer. Right? Now, talking about beauty, I have a beautiful poem on beauty and that was written by E.A. Sher. And I would like to teach that beautiful poem on beauty today to all beautiful students, right? Let's learn that poem. Before we learn the poem, let's learn a thing or two about this poetess E.A. Sher. This is our poetess E.A. Sher and she was born on September 9 in 1926 in New Mexico in United States of America. Lucy Epita Chivivi is a Native American writer, poet, and teacher. She was born in Isleta Pablo, New Mexico in 1926. She wrote a book when she was only 13, and the book is titled I Am a Pablo Indian Girl, and it got published when she was only 13. The book, which is told through both prose and poetry, is the first book to explain the lives and culture of Pablo community to the native world. Let's move on to the poem now. This is our poem Beauty. Let's look at this poem and it has got 3 stanzas. Let us read that now. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing and people working or dancing for their harvest. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting anything in earnest. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. Let's understand this poem stanza by stanza. First stanza is beauty is seen in the sunlight. Yes, beauty is seen in some things. That things are listed out here in the first stanza by the poetess. We can see beauty in sunlight. Yeah, sunlight is so beautiful. We can see beauty in the trees. Yes, in the birds. Of course, birds are very beautiful. You can see beauty in corn growing. When corn is growing, it is so beautiful to see. And people working or dancing for their harvest. So when people are working in their fields, it looks so beautiful. And after all their hard work, if the harvest is good, they will be very happy. Out of that happiness, they do dance for their harvest. And you know what? When they dance out of that happiness, it will be so beautiful to see. Right? This is our first stanza. Let's move on to the second stanza. In the second stanza, the poet is telling about things which we can hear and they are beautiful to hear. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting anything in earnest. Let's listen to wind saying now. We just heard wind saying. We just heard rain falling. We just heard a singer chanting. So, aren't these beautiful to hear? When wind sighs, when rain falls, when a singer chants, these all things will be very beautiful to hear. So, beauty is not just seen, it can also be heard. Some things that we hear are beautiful, some things that we feel are beautiful, right? Let's move on to the third stanza. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. Beauty is within us. When you do some good things, good acts, right? When you have happy thoughts, these good acts and happy thoughts will get repeated even when you are dreaming, even when you are at your work, or even when you are at your rest. So, what happens, right? Beauty is not just seen, beauty is not just heard, it is in ourselves. Beauty is in ourselves. Our good acts, happy thoughts, which please everyone, are beautiful. When your acts, when you do some good things which please everyone, then those are very beautiful. Our dreams are also beautiful as they give us a reason to work hard with enthusiasm. Beauty is in your style of work, the way you take rest, the way you sleep. Beauty is everywhere. It is in attitude, the way we look at things. You know, they say beauty is in the eye of the beholder, right? Actually, everything is beautiful in its own unique manner. The need is to feel it. The point actually has told all of us that all small things we do or the environment around us is beautiful. Everything has its own importance. All things are beautiful in their own unique way. Sunlight is beautiful, and corn growing, when it is growing, it is beautiful. When people are working or dancing for their harvest, it is beautiful to see. Beauty is not just seen, it can also be heard, it can also be felt. When night falls, when wind blows slowly, when you hear the blow of wind, when you hear the sound of rainfall, when you hear a singer singing, obviously these all sound so beautiful to all of us, right? So, this is the poem Beauty, and it was written by E.A. Shaw. And now the activity for you to do is, you got to write a paragraph about beauty. So what you think is beauty? What you think is beautiful according to you? You can write